We back, baby. How we all doing today? Welcome back to a Wednesday edition of this 50K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. We're here to make some money, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Market just opened. We're seeing a little bit of a retracement to the EMA. We had a kind of crazy move in the overnight session up. We had the break of the trend, reached a new high, had a slight little downtrend, slight break, new low. Let's see if we get a higher low above the EMA. I'm gonna look to go long right here. Honestly, was considering this long right here, but right at market open. But essentially, we had one leg down, break, two legs down, nice higher low bullish bar with room to the EMA. Now we bursted through that EMA, baby. How we all doing? Mr. Lunary, Mahir. All right, we're in our first trade. Higher low. Higher low. And it's a failed second entry short. Can we work higher? Can we work higher? Come on now. Come on now. Let's keep this win streak going. All right, there we go. There we go. Maybe should have kept that 2-point scalp going. But want to know another trade, that high probability trade? I'm gonna take those all day. New low, first attempt to go lower, second attempt to go lower, failed, bullish bar above the EMA. That's how we do it. How we do it. Axe Payne, Bill, Rev, good morning. So I think last 17 trades, 17-0, baby. Let's freaking go. Nice toe, man. Didn't get in time, toe, man. Why not? Why not? You had some time to get in. How's it going? How's it going, Eric? Baby Squid, Mr. Lunary? Yeah, I mean, sometimes you don't get those runners, but that's exactly what happened. Look what happened. So those who scalped were in and out. Prices came back, matched the low, where a lot of people, a lot of traders are going to have their stop losses one tick below, and then we started going higher. So we made some people panic a little bit. Now I think we'll likely reach the highs of the days. Too slow with the mouse. You gotta be quick with it. Gotta be quick with it sometimes. Let's hit that like button, baby. Want to know to start off the day. 17 trade win streak. Not bad, not bad. Which other YouTubers doing that, huh? Name me one. Name me one. I want to know. I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that YouTube boxing match. Tra Day trading boxing match. Sign me up, man. Sign me up. Never boxed a day in my life, but I can train for it. I'm an athlete. I got the cardio. I'm a runner. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna tire him out. I mean, I'm not gonna tire out. I'm gonna tire them out. Whoever it is. Win-loss counter. I should. All right. How do I add one right now? Teach me, man. Teach me how to add one. Yeah, I want to add a win-loss counter for the challenge and then a live percentage. Win percent. That would be good. Have you seen Patrick Weiland's stream? The shit talker, as I like to call him. He talks shit? No, I don't watch him. I mean, obviously I know who he is, but man, he's trying to stir some drama then in that case, which I'm all for, man. Let me hop in there. Let me hop in there with a challenge. Moo trades versus Pat Weiland. Kick his ass. I'm talking shit back, baby. I don't back down from nothing. Anyone know? Anyone know how I could add a little live counter down here? I have no idea. Maybe I'll just have to manually do it. But looks like we're trying to get to the highs. Trying to get to the highs of the day. No, not a tick counter, a trade counter like okay, for the challenge, I think now we are what is it? I think we're 20 wins, 5 losses. I think we're exactly 80% right now. A widget from OBS? OBS or OBX? And Ninja Trader for trade performance. I didn't even know there is a trade performance window on Ninja Trader. No, but that wouldn't be accurate because the first couple days of this challenge, I wasn't only going for 1 point scalps. But I'll look into it. Maybe I'll use what's it called? TradeZella journal. Anyone in the chat use TradeZella? Let me know. Ninja Trader, new trade performance, and then account data. Let's see. Oh, like for all my orders? It's not very W/E. Okay, let's see. Mr. Johnny Soko's encyclopedia right here. I swear. This guy's unbelievable. All right, we had a nice lower high here. Failed break out of the range. I just didn't quite know if this uptrend was like this, where we had a couple legs to a new high after a break. I mean, definitely looks like that now. So missed a little lower high right here, man. Missed a lower high. But I mean, we still could potentially be wanting to test the high again. We shall see. We shall see. But we've got a couple conflicting patterns. Like we have the range going now. It's possible that this uptrend is still valid, but we might get another leg down. Yeah, yeah, same here, baby squid. Same here, baby squid. I mean, that's why we're stalling right here. It's hard to tell what bias we're in. But I think we might try to test the high one more time. Unless we trap those who went long here, come back below this bullish bar and then work higher. It's a possibility. Because now that trap officially triggered that second entry along failure because we went below that bullish looking bar. Nah, but looking back, I mean, this is a nice lower high right here. Very, very bearish bar. Look at that. Johnny got a 10-point scalp on the NQ. That's how you do it. Mr. Johnny. We do have another news announcement coming in about 15, 16 minutes. So something to keep an eye out for. ISM, PMI. All right, W/E in OBS. Oh, whatever. I was like, what is I knew I thought so. I was like W/E. What? Where have I seen that before? I'm pretty sure it just stands for something else. Yeah. All right. Whatever. Why'd you say whatever it's called? Oh, whatever it's called. I got you. I got you. Now 15 minutes, Mr. Lunary. Iced coffee. How we doing, man? How you doing? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I mean, I'm gonna look it up right now. I'll do it after stream. Today we don't necessarily need it right now. I'm gonna do a manual one for today. Let's see. Do we reckon we bounce up from 42.68? It's possible. I think we might bounce up right here. Might test the high right now. I mean, we had this downtrend going. We had a slight little break, test a new low. Let's see if we get a higher low here. I might hop in along. We'll see. Because I'm still potentially thinking that this uptrend could be valid. So if it is, we might want to see a test at the high once again. Like here, I don't think there's any reason to take a short, so we might entice some short sellers and then just trap them. We'll see what happens right here. Yeah, like if this higher low was a lot more bullish, if we closed above the EMA, I'd definitely consider a long here, but as Mr. Lunary is saying, it seems like we're struggling a little bit to work higher. $42.68. Where's $42.68? Right around here. I mean, we'll see. We'll see if we keep working down. It's possible. It's also possible we come back down to the lows. Yeah, because at a big picture, we've definitely exhausted this uptrend now that we've went sideways for a prolonged period of time. Yup. News in 9 minutes. So let's see if we bounce right here. I mean, potential opportunity to go long. I might try to go for a little 1 point scalp here again. Let's see if we can get filled. Well, you need one more tick. But basically, triple test at this area. 1, 2, 3. Clear, downtrend, break, new low. We're getting the support, and there we go. In and out. That's how we do it. All right. Gotta update this. 21 and 5. All right, now it looks like we are officially having that bounce. So I'd been going for 2 point scalp, would have worked out as well as with the first trade, but nothing guaranteed. 21-day EMA. 21. Yeah, so going back to day 1 of this challenge, I made a recap video yesterday. If anyone wants to watch that, it went over the first 7 days of the challenge, and I mean, obviously we've been on a great win streak. We started off not so great. First day was 0-2, next day was like 1-2, but we've been on fire the last few days. Last few days haven't been too shabby. "21-day EMA," and then the trend channels and trend lines, ranges. Like I've been saying, I mean, if you're someone who does rely on drawings, use them to your advantage. Don't have them drawn and then doubt yourself. The only way your system is going to work is if you are confident in your chart analysis and what you see on the chart. So if you're going to base a lot of your trades on what you see based off of like what you draw, use it to your advantage. Don't get the setup that meets all your criteria and then say, you know what, I'm going to skip it this time. Like here, met my criteria. We had the break, we had the new low, nice bullish bar, and now we're making a big move higher. Okay, we got 4 minutes until the news. 4 minutes? All right, there we go. 18 consecutive wins right there. Bang. All right, all right. 3 minutes till we got some news, till we got some volatility, but we're just in the middle of this range right now. Ranging. No trade zone for me. No trade zone for me. So yeah, I mean it's hard to tell what direction we're going. I mean, we had this move up. Could just be having a slight delay and test at the new high, or I mean we might just start working lower, come down to the lows of the day. We'll see. You like that counter, Rev? All right, let's go, let's go. But now I can't jinx myself. If I write 18 consecutive wins, I gotta keep it going, man. I gotta make it last. But I mean, for anyone out there who that 18 consecutive wins might tempt you to take bad trades, at this point, anything can tempt someone to take a bad trade, you know, or could tempt me to take a good trade. That's how I see it. But it's possible. It's possible. I mean, same with just showing the profit. Same with live streaming in general. I mean, anything could affect how I'm trading, but it's just about blocking that out, using it to my advantage. Honestly, because it does. I mean, there's two ways to look at it. One way, all right, live streaming is tough because yeah, you have the pressure of a live audience. You want to perform, you want to do well. But then there's also a potential benefit where, all right, you have a live audience. Are you going to rise to the pressure? Are you going to rise to the occasion? Are you going to use it to your advantage in terms of your ability to talk out what you're seeing on the chart, talk out your explanations, as opposed to just being by yourself? So it's possible it could be of a benefit. I mean, who knows? Who knows? All, but then again, it's all in your mindset. Same with everything in trading. Control that mindset, and you'll do well. Let it get to you, I'm not gonna do so well. Okay, it looks like we're gonna take out these lows, but the news just hit. That's why we're having a little extra quick movement. Okay, as expected. Having a slight bounce where we already had a lot of support. Let's see. Will we break out of this range? Will we respect the range? Who knows, man? Getting a second entry long potentially right here. Slight doji bar though. Okay, here we go. Here's that breakout. Took out swing lows of right when the market opened. And now we're taking out these pre-market lows about 2 hours prior to market open. So I mean, at this point, I don't think this breakout is failing. I'm gonna respect it, and it might be time to switch gears. Might be time to start looking for some potential short setups. Let's see if we draw a range for the whole day where the midline is. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on that 50% retracement. Because we clearly bounced here. Looks like we could be approaching that area. We got about six more points to go to the downside. All right. What do we have here? Getting a little stalling. We have a clear break of this little mini move down. Haven't quite taken out the lows yet. So let's see if we come back, test the EMA. It might present us with a nice little short opportunity. Get in on this little movement. Because we do have a obvious mini little congestion. So same rules apply here as the bigger ranges. I'm looking for a failed breakout of this range. If we come back, test the EMA, I'm gonna look for a bearish bar. Let's go. What do y'all think? What do y'all think's gonna happen here? Johnny, you've been quiet, man. You still out there? Where you at? All right, so we had a failed breakout of the bottom of this little congestion, but we're still so sideways. It's hard to tell what is going on. Lower. All right, land capital. All right, land capital. Let's see. Do we go lower or do we bounce here? At this point, who knows, man? Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how the prices react to the EMA. All right, so we're getting a little potential failed breakout here. We'll see if it works out. If we come back, test the lows of this little move. So yeah, just what I was looking for. Failed breakout of the top. I just wasn't quite convinced we were going to go lower just yet, simply because we already had this sideways movement, already took out these lows of the move down. I mean, it's possible. Is it possible we got a little wider downtrend like this? Is it possible? Let's see. I don't know. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not convinced. Messing around in that range, yep. Yep. But I think prices definitely want to try to reach the midline. So we still got a little bit of room. Yeah, now we're going lower. So now, because we have a clear, strong move in the downtrend, is when I'll widen this, and I mean, definitely looks like it has some potential. So yeah, I mean, basically, this failed breakout is exactly what we were talking about. I was looking for prices to break out of this little congestion, get rejected. It's exactly what happened. It just was hard to tell if we were still going to work down at that point, but let's see if we get another opportunity. Now this freaking counter is getting in the way a little bit. Today's one of your best trading days, Rev? Hell yeah. How many trades do you take? Let me know. Let me know, Rev. What kind of trades do you take today? 3 trades? I don't know. I'm still not too convinced that we're gonna keep working lower. 90 point. Oh my god. You trading NQ? All right, we might be getting a double trap here. Might be getting a double trap. Let's see. Let's see. If we go lower, I'm gonna look to sell. Not quite. Not quite. But essentially, it'd be a double trap because we have a new low. We went up once, failed. We went up again, failed. Now, all the people who were going short, they got trapped because we broke above this little swing high right here. So now if we reverse, start going down, it's going to be a trap of the people who went long. So it's a double trap. Or we could just start working higher again. I mean, it's possible we can just start working higher as well. We'll see. Yeah, at this point, it's hard to tell what's going on. EMA seems like it's holding, it seems like it's not. It seems like we're just going sideways. Honestly, tough spot to really know which direction we're headed right now. Let's see what we got here. I mean, we got this little move up. Usually when you see a slight break and then like one big bullish bar, it's a potential exhaustion move where it might just be a little fake out and then we work lower again. Possible bigger channel from high of day to lower highs of the swings. Oh, from up here? Like that? It's possible, you're right. I'll keep an eye out. Yeah, we got a few touches on the top, but no real confirmation on the lower side. Who knows? Maybe it's like this, man. We'll see if this plays out right here. Let's see. Does this little trend channel hold up? Do we start working lower again? I think we are going lower. If we get a lower high here, I will look to go short. because even in this uptrend, I mean, this does not look very strong. I mean, we had this leg up, clear break, exhaustion move high. Dinesh, Dinesh, good luck to you, man. Congrats. There we go. That's how you do it. Dinesh Moghanan. So you use my discount code, right? Use the Mumu Trades discount code, right? Yeah, so unfortunately no lower high, no real opportunity to get in on this action. So we'll have to wait for the next opportunity. Unless we get one right here. I appreciate it. I appreciate Dinesh. That's what I thought. I haven't seen you in the chat, man. Welcome in, welcome in. Oh, just got notification 2 minutes ago. Dinesh Moganan, subscribe to my channel. There we go. Hell yeah. We gotta get to 1,000 subs, baby. What are we at now? 907? 907. How are we gonna get those 93 subs? How long is it gonna take? What do we gotta do? I think we need 100 consecutive wins. That'll do it. That'll do it. All right, so we are getting a lower high here. If we start working lower again. But let's see what happens. We're getting another test at this trend I've drawn. And will it be respected is the question. And it looks like it is. For now. But I definitely want to see another test at this low. Because anytime you see a strong move like this, thin little concise channel, we're usually bound to at least test that low one more time before just reversing. And we still haven't quite reached the midline of the day either. All right, so here, definitely another exhaustion looking bar. Probably going to trap some traders going long, if I had to say. Like, this does not look like any sustainable move in the north direction. Yeah, so I mean, if this bar finished a little more bearish, came below the EMA, I'd look to go short. We still might get another opportunity here. Let's see what happens. Can this be a reversal type bar for us? Looks like it. Looks like it. It's got some potential. Not quite. Not quite. Sideways looking bar. Let's get a little move below the EMA. Looks like we got a little maybe range going. I mean, definitely a lot of resistance on the top side. And yeah, now we're going lower. So I mean, if this bar right here, this bar at the high move finished a little more bearish, I definitely would have gone short. We might get another lower high opportunity to take a short setup, but I mean, all depends on what happens right here. All depends on what happens right here. PW live stream ended 7 minutes after market open. This guy got one trade in and dipped. PW Pat Weiland, man, I told you I'm gonna box his ass. Don't worry about him. We got him. Think we're looking at a first distribution of a market maker sell model. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, we will. We will. But as we were saying, and when we were making this move up, I was saying let's at least take out these lows. You'll join me, Rev? All right, let's do it. Let's start training. Let's start training. I'm down. I got no fighting skills, but I got the endurance, like I said. So I'm not backing down from anything. I'm a fighter at heart. I fight every day. I fight every day. For my family. All right, where are we at the big picture? Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, we zoom out. Looks like we're just slowly moving down, trying to make new lows. And as we were saying, we barely went below this little swing low. So could be time to actually start working higher. We'll see. I mean, this bar looks very bearish. Violence is not the answer. Of course you would say that, traitorous chick. You're just a little chick. What do you know? You ain't even a human. Traitorous chick. What do you know? You gotta fight to stay alive against the other chicks. All right, but definitely looks like this little downtrend is coming into play. Theo Vaughn, who you guys think I talk like Theo Vaughn? I'm surprised. Actually, no one has said this in the chat. But let's see if anyone can guess it right now. Who do you think on a daily basis I get compared to the most in real life? What famous person that I'm not saying I look like them. But I get it a lot. I'm from Northern California, so it gives you a little hint of who it might be. Let me know. Take a guess. Take a guess who you think my celebrity comparison is. Some baseball dude? Not baseball. Close. Theo Vaughn kicking in? Theo Vaughn? That guy's actually hilarious. But I've never been compared to Theo Vaughn until Mr. Eric said so. So I'll take it. Actor? I mean, I said it was close to baseball. That's all I'm saying. I'm not giving another hint. Other than that, it's too easy then. similar to baseball. Take a guess. Take a guess. Steph Curry brother. Very, very close. Very, very close. Which Golden State? Which Golden State, dude? Ryan? Clay Thompson. Baby Squid, you got it. You got it. I go to this gym. I play basketball here and there. And now, every time I go play basketball, they just call me Clay. Because I shoot like Clay. And I guess I look like Clay. A little bit. A little bit. I'm not black. I'm not black. He's half black. I'm half black in heart. Let's see. What do you guys think? Moo trades? How do I look like? Shit. Does kind of look similar. All right. Are we going to get a little second entry short right here? Are we going to get one? No, I'm not taller than him. I'm like 6 feet. I'm 6'1", 6'2" with shoes. So 6'3". That makes it 6'3". But nah, Clay Thompson, he's like 6'6", 6'7". All right, and now we're working lower again. Theo Vaughn. Theo Vaughn? I sound like Theo Vaughn? he has a... Where's Theo Vaughn from? He has an accent. He's from Louisiana? I ain't from Louisiana, man. I look like a 6'1". Yeah. I'm a 6'1". I'm a 6'1". Holding a short on Sim. All right, let's see, Johnny. I mean, not a bad trade. I think we're definitely headed lower. Where are the London session lows? Where are the London lows? Is this the London session? Right over here. 2:30 a.m. 5:30. Is it 5:30 Eastern? Turtle soup. I don't know what turtle soup is. I like turtle soup. I like the name though. 42:35. Oh. Way down here. So 3 a.m. Eastern. All right. I mean, yeah, that's a clear target for sure. If we do make such a significant move down, which honestly I'm not doubting. All right, turtle soup, false breakout that leads to a reversal targeting opposing liquidity. Oh, like a turtle going back in his shell? That's the analogy. You finally started funded live account NinjaTrader and your orders are getting rejected. Maybe you're not connected to your service provider. I don't know. I don't know what the problem is, man. Turtle style of trading. I don't even know. What does that mean, turtle style of trading? No, I've never heard of it. All right, we're getting a slight little push up right now. We might want to just take out this swing high. Let's see if we do. That's why I got these little trend channels drawn, because even if in the opposite trend, usually when we have a nice significant move up, and what I mean by significant move, I mean like any move that's like at least 3, 4, 5 bars in a row, I consider it a little short-term trend, break. Now we're essentially testing this exact high. Now we broke above that high. So now it might be time to resume the downtrend. Or, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. We might start going sideways. We might push up. Who knows, man? Oh, that's what turtle means. Hodling. Sit on the stocks. All right, makes sense. I'm gonna draw this downtrend from the lows actually. So what I'm doing, I'm paying attention to these lows right here. I'm gonna fit it on that side and see how it fits on the top. It's possible. It's possible it looks like that. I mean, very slight differences either way. Like this or from the highs. These first two swings, it looks something probably like that. Then we fit it to the lows. Either way, very similar. Okay, we're getting a nice little lower high here. Might be time to consider another short. Tricky spot above the EMA. All right, so a second entry long right here. Not a bad long entry. Moved quickly. Man, maybe I should have taken this long right here. But I mean, we're in a clear downtrend, but something to know is that look, we bounced when we didn't quite reach the bottom side of this trend channel. So it means we might be losing some steam. But that's really what I was trying to see here. Like if we drop from the bottom side of this trend channel, it would mean that we already pretty much had a slight break and a new low here. Second entry short incoming here. Maybe. But yeah, I think the bulls are back. I mean, look at this move. Look at this move. Look at this move. And then another thing to keep note of is like even if we got rid of that downtrend, even if we get rid of this little thing, it looks like we're just slowly losing steam here. And the last significant move down we had was right here. We already had the break. We already had the new low. So at this point, definitely time to switch gears. Johnny definitely got taken out of his short position. maybe. Tolu oluron von me. Tolu oluron von me. How you doing, man? How you doing? Where are you from? Where are you from, Tolu? You're up 10 points, Johnny, man. You gotta take those 10 points. You gotta take those 10 points. Nigeria. Nice. Man, I should have guessed. I should have guessed. I was thinking Nigeria. How long you been trading for, man? How long? Let me know. We got 34 viewers in here. 18 likes. We gotta match the likes to the viewers. If you guys haven't liked the stream, like it right now, baby. All right, now I'm getting a little too crazy. I'm getting a little too excited. All right, let's see where we are headed. Oh, nice. 2 years, you're not even 18? Woo! Man, you're starting early. Starting early. You got a head start. Damn, nice job, nice job. Yeah, I'm 23. I probably started trading when I was what? Maybe 20? Around 20 years old. But was studying the charts for a long time, probably since I was like 18. But didn't actually start trading till I was about 20. Yeah, you're ahead of the game, Tolu. He's a beast. Yeah, we're back in the range. We're back in the range. Hey, we we all lose, man. We all lose, Tolu. It's all about bouncing back and learning. And honestly, my best advice would be just to take your time. Don't try to see trading as like a get rich quick thing. Definitely, if you're in it, be prepared to be in it for a long time. Don't try to get rich as fast as possible. Just take your time with it. Be patient. Don't force anything. And you should be good. I mean, once you find a strategy that you know is profitable, stick to that. Be confident in it. And I mean, just follow your rules. Follow your rules. Don't break them. We're back in the range, Mr. Lunary. Man, I guess we are. I don't know. Was this downtrend even valid after all? Was it? I mean, that's the thing. With downtrends, you can make any downtrend valid because no matter what, there will be traders out there who are seeing the same thing as you. So let's keep it on like that. Necros. All right, welcome in, Tolu. I'm glad you're here, man. Necros. My name is Munir. 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 That. All right, looks like we're trying to potentially get to the highs of the day again. I mean, we did know that we had this nice move up after the market open. We never really tested this high again. We never tested 42.82, 42.83. So it might be the target. Likewise, Necros. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, man. What about you? What about you? How long have you been trading for? Still on demo? I mean, that's the best way to start a lot of the time. Yeah, especially if you're in university, you're not doing it full time. Start with a sim account. Or honestly, if you wanted to test out how the psychological aspect of it would be using some of your own money, a prop firm like Apex is not a bad idea, but if you're just starting out, I would just start out with one account. Like right now, there's a 90% off sale. You can get a $25,000 account for, let's see, 90% off. It's for like $15. For like $15 if you wanted to. Yeah, I mean, yeah, $17. It's not a bad move. But don't get sucked into buying 20 accounts right away like some people like myself. Um trying to trying to force the issue. Then of course, you can support me, support my channel by using my discount code. Yeah, that's true, Johnny. I mean, I paid a couple of years ago, I paid $1,000 just for the Ninja Trader license. This is a 2000 tick chart. Yeah, Rev. I mean, who are those people, man? They're crazy. Just like me. Yup. Same here, baby squid. Yeah, that's definitely the plan, baby squid. But then that's a whole nother game. That's a whole nother game too in itself. Trading with your own capital versus a prop firm. Do I think it's necessary to have a mentor or guide? Um, it depends. I mean, it depends. Now that there's so much you can find online, so many communities you can find online, like as long as you if you need someone to like chat with, you got me right here. You got me. But also, I mean, there's a ton of communities out there. All right, so here we had a failed second entry long, new high. First attempt to go higher, second attempt to go higher, failed. Nice entry right here. I just wasn't too confident in it because we were so sideways. I mean, look how many bars were stacked, but huge move to the downside. All right, I want to see us come back, test this EMA. Let's get a little opportunity to go short again. Come on now. Come on now, mate. Yeah, one thing Tolu I would do is definitely do not listen to Johnny and don't fall into the ICT trap. Definitely do not recommend that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Um, I mean, depending on your strategy, I mean, first of all, Tolu, where'd you learn your trading strategy? Yeah, I'm gonna do these lives every day. I started a few months ago. I live streamed for about a month, took a break. Now we're back. We're back. This is week number 2 right now. So the plan is to do it every single day. So tune in, tune in. Nah, but yeah, we got some good members in this chat. We're all here to help, to make fun of each other a little bit. Ultimately to help though. All right, where are we headed right now? Probably to these lows, probably to 42.54. It's my guess. It's my guess. Would I consider having a Zoom group? Yeah. This is the Zoom group right here. But no, I mean maybe. What do you mean like yeah, Zoom group? Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. No, I'm saying 18 wins, 18 wins in the challenge overall. So it's 18 wins over like the last 3 or 4 trading days. Daily 2-hour Zoom calls. That's possible. Yeah, Tolu, there's a in my description a link if you want to join the Discord, and Johnny will teach you all his methods. You got a mentor right there in Johnny. But he might be too much for you. He's called Johnny Never Sleeps. He never sleeps. He's always talking about the charts. Daily 2-hour Zoom calls. Daily? Daily? I don't even know if people would want to have daily calls like that. You keep missing these setups. It happens, it happens. You'd go for a Zoom? Maybe we gotta set it up. Maybe it's time to set it up. Oh, stream being a Zoom call? No, I don't think. I mean, I wouldn't replace the stream with a Zoom call. It would probably be just something additional, like a post-market analysis Zoom call. That would be, yeah, that's a good idea. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Johnny never sleeps. He's living up to his name. He's not even gonna. He's gonna go to bed early to try to wake up for the London session. The London session. Where are you from, Johnny? What time would that be for you? It's like Pokemon. You can't catch them all. Traitorous chick. You're right. You're right. You're on market time. Yeah, Johnny never sleeps. Johnny never sleeps. Appreciate it, Rogue Trader. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. What about you, Rogue Trader? How long you been on this trading journey for? Your drawings get deleted when you start Ninja Trader again? Well, when you close Ninja Trader, is it giving you the option to save your chart? Because if you're in your chart, don't exit the chart. Go back to your control center and then exit. Click X from there, and it'll give you the option to save. Serious full time 2 years? Okay, okay. Yeah, we could do some daily Zoom calls post market. Post market Zoom calls? I'm thinking. Maybe down the line, maybe down the line. Yeah, I mean it happens all the time, Johnny. Yeah, definitely don't close your chart without going to the control center and then saving it first. All right, looks like we're definitely headed lower. Just not any great opportunities lately to hop in. I mean, here definitely missed a trade right here. But then again, it was so sideways it could have gone in either direction. Forex gurus, daily or weekly lessons. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. I mean, right now I'm not in the position to do that. I mean, right now I'm about the free stuff. Free live streams, growing the community, then we'll talk about it later down the line. Down the line when I'm ready for that boxing match. All right, peace out, Toe Man. All right, so there's a possibility we just had this little thin downtrend, break, new low, but honestly, we also have to keep in mind what's happening at the EMA. So, came back, tested the EMA once, got rejected. Came back, tested again, got rejected. So honestly, yeah, and here we go, here we go. Honestly, we might start just trading lower. Johnny, the London session could be in play. The fact that we tried working higher, got rejected before any significant move up, before taking out any highs earlier in the day, any significant ones. I don't see any real reason to think long at the moment. All right, peace out, Rev. Oh man, I was just on mute. But what I was saying is that we're having a sort of repeat pattern here, what we had just up here as well. So here, we went down once, twice, and we had that failure. Here again, new high, went down once, failed twice, failed. Let's see how we react at this EMA. All right, so I was getting ready to sell at the bottom of this bar if we closed below it. Didn't get a trigger. So we might just be in for some sideways action. We'll see though. I'm definitely biased towards the downside though. Yep, and here we're going. Here we're going. Here we are. Working lower. Yeah, Dolu, I know how it is. Honestly, if I were you, I would just dedicate a certain amount of time every day to your trading, so you're not like tied to the markets all day if you don't have all the time in the world. Because it's very easy to where you're just obsessed with the charts and you can't take your eye off the chart at any moment, but it can honestly be more detrimental to your trading. Like you might think, oh, I'm gonna miss a bunch of setups. I'm gonna miss a bunch of setups if I'm not watching the charts all times of the day. But like it's tough to stay focused for more than a few hours at a time on these charts. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so definitely looks like we're forming a sort of a range here. I mean, we're really just sideways. Oh boy. Oh boy. Nice. Crypto just short. Which trade? You took a short? All right, peace out. Oh, you took a long. All right. All right. Not bad. Not bad. $4K to go get funded again. Woo. Woo. You a beast. All right, I'm still not convinced we're going up though. Still not convinced. I mean, looking at this chart, I mean, it's definitely possible. We got a lot of support at this area, but I'm still biased to take out those London lows. Karim. Karim, I know him, man. That's my brother. I mean, I'm Lebanese, so down the line, we're brothers somewhere. I'm half Lebanese, half Brazilian. Quarter Clay Thompson look-alike. Oh, he's Lebanese? Yeah, makes sense. It only requires you to be on the charts 1 hour at a time. 1 hour at a time for 24 hours in the day, right? You actually need 10 minutes like Patrick Wyland. 5K trade? Sure he did. Sure he did. Alright, if we reverse here, I'm gonna look to go short. I want to see a reversal type bar. I don't know what the hell this chop is, honestly. Some BS. That's what it is. Alright, if we go lower here, I'm gonna look to sell. I'm gonna look to sell right below this bar. If we go lower. Can we do it? Can we do it? Didn't get the trigger. Didn't get the trigger. Alright, Tolu just joined the Discord. Tolu is fire. Crypto just short off the... I don't know. Are you talking about the NQ? Talking about the NQ? Yeah. No, I mean, at this point, we might be going up. But very interesting day. I mean, looked like we were going down. Looked like we were going back up. Looked like we were going to resume the downtrend. Now looks like we might come back up again. One month break from trading. That's what happens. You take a break and then you're like, oh man, I missed the best opportunities of the whole year. Yeah, yeah. The market can play those games with you. I mean, it's all good. It's all good. If you're in it for the long run, just a little blip. Nothing major. But yeah, today was a weird day. Like, definitely a lot of choppiness, no clear direction. Yeah, one good trade, then you're funded. Are you using Apex? What's up, Jay Void? Yeah, that's why on days like today, if you got any trades in and you're in the green, might be best just to step out. Just because it's hard to tell what direction we're going. I mean, it's possible we're gonna come back, test the highs of the day, but we're gonna need a significant move in that case. Oh, Top Step, you can only get 50%. Man, you gotta hop on Apex. You gotta hop on the Apex train. Yes, sir, J Void. Yeah, that's why, honestly, on days like today, if you have your trend channels, if you're someone who is a price action trader and you rely on your drawings, definitely draw as many as possible just to keep yourself on the right side of the market, because if you don't see a good setup, don't be forced to take anything. Like, here was a one trade I considered. Nice short setup, but we were still so choppy up to this point. Many sideways bars. Credit card. Afternoon lunch? No, I do. But for these accounts, I'm only trading on the live stream. But then after, I hop off, do a little workout, then I'll come back to the charts usually. But man, look how sideways we are. But honestly, it does make some sense, because we're essentially just playing off this midline of the entirety of the day. So I mean, if we get rid of this little downtrend, it looks like we're just in a range within a range. Range within a range. And then if we zoom in more, I mean, look at this, the midline. So basically the top fourth of the price action for the whole day, the top half of the upper half was what we had drawn exactly to the tick before. Looks like we just had some more plays off the bottom side, and now, at least in the near term, I'm biased to go back up, test the highs of the range again. So if we come back to the EMA, get a nice little entry off the EMA, I want to go long again. All right, let's see. But now we're not looking so volatile right now. Looks like we got some slow movement. Nothing too crazy like we had before. Yeah, it's slowing down for sure. And when you're a trader, you want everything to move fast. You want everything to present itself, but also you gotta be patient. It's not gonna always be that presentable in terms of all the trades. Yeah, everybody took their trades and walked away. Honestly, not a bad idea. Yep. That's how it is. Mind of a trader. It's never enough. Never enough. Can't just step away. You gotta have more. But I'm gonna show that it can be enough. So I'm gonna end the stream right there. Apex, if you guys want to sign up for anything, there's about a day and a half left on this 90% off sale. Yeah, I'm in NorCal. I'm in NorCal. Northern California. Crypto just short. If you guys want to trade multiple accounts, Replicanto will hook you up. Got both the links in my description. Peace out. Have a good one. Cheers, Mr. Lunary. Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. Every day. Let's go. Peace.